Okay, hello. I'm here again, finishing touches for this portrait of Mayor Isko Moreno. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my subscribers, local and overseas. Hope you are always in the pink of health every day. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Mga kababayan, kahit na medyo magulo ang panahon ngayon, so stay still at ituloy natin itong finishing touches na to kay Yorme. Okay, I hope you like this. Kahawig ba ni Yorme to? Basta ang importante, merong letter Y doon sa cap, and then meron siyang mold dito, si ano na yan, sigurado si Yorme na yan. So I told you I'm not a professional portraiturist, but I have a background in drawing. Pero itong gawa ko na to, ano lang to guys, beginner lang ito sa mga professional portraiture, beginner lang ito. Sa kanila, beginner lang ito. But it's okay as long as I have 2% of this, 2% of that, 3% of this, then I can create something. I don't do a portrait. Kung gumawa man ako, mga side view lang muna. So this is I'm trying to do the finishing touches of Yorme's side view. I hope you like this one. I was doing this and watching at the same time Yorme nasa recto, starting the cleaning up of those mess. O, pasensya na kung hindi halos, kung hindi kamukha. Basta resemblance lang ito. Medyo hawig lang, pero hindi exactly kamukha. Kasi I'm not a professional portraitist. Hello, to all my subscribers. Ang dami ko ring ano dito, trial and error. Bago magkaroon ng resemblance. Parang I sympathize, Yorme, doon sa nangyari sa Recto. Parang kailan lang there was a vlogger who updated us with Recto. Ang ganda-ganda. And then this time parang ghetto. Kailangan talagang linisin ni Yorme. Paano makakakuha ng investor kung madumi yung parang ghetto eh. Yung graffiti kasi ano yan eh, form ng ano yan eh, ng vandalism. Plus yung nanununog sila, nang babasag ng kung ano-ano, mga vandalism talaga yan. Pero this time, ang daming graffiti, no? Yung graffiti, yan ang isa sa mga worst na vandalism. At saka it makes the surrounding ugly. Mabuti lang si Yorme, bilis action. Kasi pangit tingnan eh, nagmumukhang ghetto talaga. The time that Manila is looking for investor, tapos ganyan ang itsura. Kaya tama lang si Yorme na bilis action. Kilos agad, Si Yorme talaga, pag merong ginawa, gusto niya tapusin na eh. No matter what, kahit hindi na siya umuwi ng bahay. No? Gusto niya tapusin kaagad. Kaya, na-inspire din tayo because of Yorme's good leadership. So, at least this is a resemblance only, my subscribers and viewers. I hope you're enjoying what I'm doing right now. This is a resemblance of Mayor Isko Moreno, the good public servant of the city of Manila. So, inspired tayong gawin. Kahit side view man lang. Good morning, mga subscribers ko, local and overseas. Itong ginagawa kong portrait ni Yorme, resemblance lang to, kasi hindi nga ako, I did not major in portraiture, kaya sinatsambahan lang natin to. So, nakakita lang kasi ako na isang magandang angle ni Yorme. Kaya, I was inspired to do it. So, ano lang to ha, resemblance lang. Ang resemblance kasi yung medyo hawig, pero hindi kamuka. Yun ang interpretation ko, no? Yun ang opinion ko, no? Kasi hindi naman ako gumagawa talaga ng portrait. So, kaya very prominent yung kanyang hat na merong Y. Para ma-recognize nyo na si Yorme to kahit hindi ano. So, na-inspire lang akong gawin. Kasi nga maganda yung angle na nakita ko. Itong portraiture, isa sa mga pinakamahirap na gawin when it comes to visual art. Kasi, you will take a lot of units in anatomy. Siguro 6 courses of anatomy. Sa mga those who are majoring in architecture, interior, and graphics, mga 3 units lang ng anatomy ang kailangan. Pinakamahirap sa portraiture yung eyes at saka yung ilong. Hello guys, I'm back again. To all my foreign-born subscribers, I was telling that I'm not actually a portraiturist, but I tried my best to portray this Yorme, the mayor of the city of Manila. He is a good mayor. That's why we are so inspired to do something for him. Like this one. I'm not, I was telling I'm not good in doing this, but I try my best because Yorme is our idol because he is a good leader. He's a good public servant. So you will be inspired to do something for him, right? Oh, I hope. This is not yet finished because I'm not doing this in one sitting. So far, ang ginagawa ko lang ngayon, I'm doing a side view of, side view lang muna. Yung iba, they use charcoal pencil on this. Just one color, but but I want to make it colorful, so I use a pencil, a colored pencil for this. So mahirap din yung technique kasi. So I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm doing here right now. I hope you are enjoying watching. For me, I'm enjoying doing this. I have fun doing this. I hope you guys is also enjoying watching. Kahit papano, you will learn a little, you know, a little knowledge about drawing. Sa mga ganito, an artist must be good in shading to make it looks real. But this one is only a resemblance. I keep telling that this is only a resemblance. Medyo hawig lang. Kasi nga, I'm not a good portraiturist. Hello, my all subscribers and viewers. Narito na naman tayo. Hulaan nyo kung sino ito. Na-inspire tayong gawin itong portrait ni Yorme. Kasi nakakita ako ng magandang magandang anggulo. Yung angle, hindi ako isang portrait, hindi ako magaling gumawa nito, pero kapag maganda yung angle, na-inspire akong gawin. So nakakita ako ng angle ni Yorme, naka side view. So kalahati lang ng mukha ang gagawin ko, 'di ba? Kasi hindi talaga ako gumagawa nito eh. Pag na-inspire lang tayo, tsaka maganda yung angle, ito, parang ang ganda nitong angle na nakita ko. Magkasama sila ni Vice Chi dito eh. Pero nagawa ko na lang si Vice Chi, pero lahat ng portrait na ginagawa ko, mga resemblance lang yan. Kasi hindi naman ako talaga portrait. Pinakamahirap talagang sa larangan ng visual arts, pinakamahirap gawin ang portrait ng isang tao. Kahit portrait ko, hindi ko pa nga nagawa. I will try someday. So, dahil nakakita ko ng magandang angle ni Yorme, ito papalitan ko yan. Actually, hindi pa final to, no? Premiere pa lang to. So, mga subscribers ko, local and overseas, lalo na mga Eskonia, no? Abangan natin ito, premiere pa lang to. So, abangan natin. So, pag nasa mood ako, ginagawa ko, hindi ko tinatapos in one sitting. Kasi, para maganda ang resulta. So, ito yung hope you are always in the pink of health, no? Alam ko mahirap din sabihin lagi na stay positive, laging masaya, kasi madaling sabihin para sa iba, pero mahirap din siyempre, 'di ba? May mga problema tayo. may mga challenges tayo sa buhay. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo ito. Itutuloy ko ito sa mga next few days. Tutuloy ko to. So, papalitan ko ng kulay, not pencil. So, sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. At nagpapasalamat ako. I'm so grateful sa mga panonood nyo sa mga videos ko. Kahit paano napapasweldohan tayo ni Lolo. Kahit mga cents lang. So, thank you very much for supporting my channel, my little small channels. I'm so happy you are liking my videos kahit paano. Ano?